Did you know that the camouflage uniform by the military was influenced by the tactics of the black slavery we had in Jamaica back in the days?
We the blacks brought it in.
Wow.
As a ambush.
This tactics was so unique that they were able to conquer the Spanish and the British army.
Stand up here.
Yeah. And cover yourself with the...
You come out here and stand up and don't know that they are here.
Yeah. Because they look the same than the tree.
You will go and lean up on them.
Yeah.
In this video, I'll show you a tree which they used to ambush themselves from the army.
The original name for it is Cocoon.
Cocoon.
And because of this unique victory, the Maroons in Jamaica has been classified as the fearless and the wildest people in Jamaica. And the person who led these Maroons to win this fight is called Nani, a Ghanaian.
Yeah, so in the history of Jamaica, the Maroon people were the only people or the only tribe or the community, that was able to conquer the Spanish and the British in Jamaica. So she became the national hero here in Jamaica. And one beautiful thing they did for her image was placed on the 500 Jamaican dollar.
So does it mean that the Ghanaian slavery that influenced the military army uniform, or is the whole African slavery? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section.
This one?
Yeah.
So it's called camouflage?
Yeah.
That's the name?
Yeah.
Wow.
They dry it, they cut it down and wrap themselves all over with it. All over. Because you can't make out the faces or anything like that. So just wrapping it all about.
All body.
Cover up the face and you just barely see through some little places, you know. The whole body wrap up with it.
So this tree or this leaf is called camouflage. Yeah. So he said that's what they were using it to wrap the body to disguise or to hide themselves from the British army.
Yeah.
Camouflage.
Yeah.
So is it because of this? That's why the military is using that
color.
Wow. So basically it's blacks that brought the name.
We the blacks brought it in.
Wow.
As a ambush. That's why you see the soldier and some of the police, when they go to build a uniform,
the green,
like the bush.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that they can come in stock. For instance.
It's the ambush over there.
They just stand up here.
Yeah. And cover yourself with the...
You come out here and stand up and don't know that they are here.
Yeah. Because they look the same than the tree.
You will go and lean up on them.
Yeah.
And they don't know somebody here.
Wow, so basically black people brought the name camouflage, and now the whole world military is using the green. All because during the slave time, our ancestors were using this to wrap themselves and to hide themselves from the British army. Wow.
But then again, you know, the original name for it is Cocoon.
Cocoon?
Yeah.
Okay.
It bears something in a long pad. Isn't that pity?